This is a villa bought by Russian President Vladimir Putin in Marbella, Spain, worth $55 million. President Putin's Spanish home is just a 40-minute drive to the newly refurbished Malaga airport, which now offers direct flights to Moscow. The extravagant residential estate has a plot of land totaling more than 18,000 square meters and is 400 meters above sea level and less than 8 miles from the Costa beaches. His giant house has about 10 bedrooms, its own helipad, a veritable sunken swimming pool, and a 10-car garage. It has a formal piano bar and a wood-framed library. There's also a gym and cinema and a private champagne bar. Vladimir Putin is the current president of Russia and chairman of the State Council. He is considered by the outside world to be the de facto supreme leader of Russia since 2000. He has been selected into the Forbes World's Most Influential People many times.